in downtown Orlando. We're gonna do a little POV drive. I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm just gonna let y'all enjoy the drive while I kind of make it home. Subscribe, like the video, and enjoy the drive, y'all. Let's go. Did you buy the car?
Yeah.
I refuse to believe that 0 to 60 was 6 seconds. Hey Siri, how fast does an ISF go 0 to 60?
Want me to use ChatGPT to answer that?
Sure.
If you mean the Lexus IS-F, it goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.5 seconds.
So that's it. Like, subscribe, comment down below what I should do for video number 5. I'm thinking of taking this to the actual dealership and seeing what Lexus of Orlando is going to give me. We're going to end it like that.